Hi, my name is Orpheo. I'm here from greenelectricitysaver.com, and I just want to show you a couple of our green electricity savers. First of all, I have our digital multimeter here, which is going to show you how much this energy this fan's pulling. It's actually going to read about 1+ amps, and then I'm going to show you what happens when we turn on our green electricity savers. First of all, I want to show you our multimeter here is showing 0.0, and when I turn on the fan on high, it draws 1.06 amps, and it will probably go up and down a little bit from there. But when I turn on the Green Electricity Saver 1000 here, watch what happens. Actually drops to 0.87 amps. Now, with a little work from our geniuses, they came up with the Green Electricity Saver 2000, and we found when you combine the two, it actually drops down to 0.64 amps, which is roughly a savings of just a little over 40%. Now, the exciting news is you don't have to buy the two, because we have the Power Saver 3000 on our website at greenelectricitysaver.com, and you can order right from the website. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email or talk to us, over the phone. But just before we leave, I want to show you one more thing. What happens when we turn off Electricity Saver 2000, goes back up to 0.787 amps, and then when we turn off the 1000, the amps kick right back up to 1.03 amps, which is what our fan is drawing. Folks, thank you for your time, and again, visit us at greenelectricitysaver.com. Take